install it. Oh, no.
My only concern with copying this is that we are the ones that are going to manufacture this and kiss.
Yeah, well, why not?
Keep it simple, stupid.
Michael always says K-I-S-S. Keep it simple, stupid. Great advice. Hurts my feelings every time.
So, is this it? No, that's not
It's
Yeah, that right there. See the hole in it? Right there.
down
Look,
there.
touch that. Yeah.
Oh, that. Yep.
Yeah. So all it is.
All right, yeah, that'll
That's
work.
all. That's all we need.
Yeah.
That's gonna be wicked easy.
That's
I
on the
know.
other,
That's just a
it's
plate
on the
here
other
and
side
then
of the
that,
knuckle.
and then
I
you-
thought
Yeah, but with the metal so that it sits and can't turn though. See how it? But you can weld that all up. That's exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You can undo mine, take it off, and copy it.
Yeah, that's what you should do.
Yeah. So that's what you need to do. But again, you need to do this before it gets cold because even once you've got that on there, you've got to figure out the length of the metal piece of the tack. You know what I'm saying?
we need a piece that's round, that's big enough to go over everything, like a sleeve. If you get what I'm
I
saying.
don't know if I'd be strong enough. But maybe it would.
We're not.
Sure
We're just
it would.
going to weld it on. We'll be able to.
Okay.
That ball joint just pops right in. In other words,
Well, you
the
press
ball
it.
joint's inside it. It's not.
I
You
know.
can weld something on the outside.
Oh, you're gonna weld onto. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's see how
look
that
at it
looks.
again, though. So we would have welded onto the wrong.
Yeah, I know. That's. I want to get a look at this
Oh,
again.
This winter we would have come out.
And it wouldn't turn.
Hey, guys, why don't we all go straight?
Otherwise, you break your tie rod
Yeah.
trying to turn it. Okay, so that's on the bottom of the knuckle. It definitely turns with the knuckle. All right, it's straight with the knuckle. So you could probably put it on.
There you go. Yeah, you need two pieces really. Yeah, you need a piece that's gonna half moon on there, and you'll weld to that, and then come out and weld to the 90 that goes down. So it'll be exactly like my Jeep, but welded on.
Oh.
About 3 inches, and then we'll cut
Wait,
the
so-
half end, and then. down
So what are you?
I'm suggesting.
Why don't you just make one piece right here?
Well, because that's not. You can't.
It's not strong enough?
Strong enough. Make one, two.
With
pieces.
Well, we could just weld it to that, couldn't we?
Yes. See, that's you can just weld a fucking plate on that.
We always have to be able to get a ball joint and
Right. You need to you weld it so that you can still
get a ball joint.
on it.
All right, so is this coming out of the diff?
Yeah, but it's not drip. It's
No,
fun.
it's not
you
dripping.
know,
It's just
not
wet.
even-
I know.
But what you do is you take that off right there,
And put more fluid in it.
okay, and you fill it until that's full. But it should be full. The thing came up to camp, had everything done.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, why don't you just flip it over here?
Oh, you just want to count it like that.
Yeah, okay. 1, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38.
Cool.
There's 38 of them, and they're 16 inches long. Okay. And there's one of these metal ones not bent in there that we can copy for the holes.
Awesome.
So you really need 2 sets, one for the other mat track too.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need 76 of these fuckers.
Yep.
Okay. So let me start this thing up. Oh, well, maybe.